Good evening, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to join you in another video presentation, which it is about referencing. We write reference for our article, or more precisely, we cite references in our research article. How we can do that? There are several ways, several software, several apps. The most obvious one is Mendeley, which we are focused about it today. Let us start our journey. What is the Mendeley? Mendeley is an software. That software is managed by several famous universities worldwide. You can, if you want to search for it, you can just write down it in Google Mendeley. This is the logo, this red color. Mainly use it for referencing, but it has other usages also. We pass it by it later. You just click over it. You just click over it. You can download Mendeley in desktop. What is the advantage? The advantage is because if you have the desktop app for the Mendeley, you can do more features are available that it is difficult with the online version. For example, if you're out of Wi-Fi, you cannot use the online version of the Mendeley. But if you install the app, you can still go ahead with several actions. Unfortunately, I cannot do that because I already installed Mendeley. Once you click over Save File. After that, you go to several steps. You continue until the end. Then you can download and install it in your laptop. Another one, you need create an account. Click over create an account. Unfortunately, I cannot do it also because I already have several accounts of Mendeley. In case you don't have new user, you just click over it, write your full name, organization, university, research institution you are working with, your occupation, student, lecturer, researcher, and so on. I mean, fill up the personal information. Then when you finish, you can activate your email. It's very easy step and free of charge, totally free of charge. So now let us consider that you already installed your Mendeley in your laptop and you create an account. So let us go to the app. This is the Mendeley app. I already have it. In case when you start the new installation, you have only this folder, all document recently added until you reach my publication. However, because I am an old user of Mendeley, I created several extra folders for more categorization based on the people that I helped them or research topic I worked or paper I published. It depends on the user. The more important features in Mendeley are adding file. You find a paper online, download it. For example, this paper. After downloading, you follow this step, add file from here. Then you specify the folder, click over it, open. That paper already downloaded. We can find the name of the paper, name of author, name of journal, year of publication, volume, issue, page number, abstract, all information you can find there. And also journal type. For example, here we have journal, research article, or we have book chapter, case, computer program, conference proceeding, encyclopedia, or anything. You can categorize. For example, you open the folder, you send this particular paper in a specified, for example, copy, and you send it to a folder. So we can categorize our library. This window in front of you is called My Library. This is My Library. So now, if you want to search, if you have too many, you can search for particular paper here. For example, you write strength. Any paper title or insight have a relation with the strength, it will appear for you. It's still too much because I have too many. So use another keyword, tensile. It reduced. So write, for example, brittle. Still reduces. By this way, you can control it. And if you want more features, this green color means that you actively downloaded it. This color means when you click over it, you still need to make sure that this paper is downloaded or not. In case you download it, when you click over it, you can read the paper, read the whole information. If there is any mistake, for example, if there is a mistake, for example, there is space between them, you can just correct it. Very easy. So now we go to important topic. I already installed it in Microsoft Word, but in case if you don't install it, it is written install MS Word plugin. You just click over it, it will be installed in your Microsoft Word. You just click over it, follow the steps. Finally, it will be installed in your Microsoft Word. We will show you later. Another important thing is citation style. If you already work with a style like me, you will have listed here. If no, you go to more style. In more style, you go to get more style. In that one, when you want to get more style, in that case, you just search for the name of the journal. For example, you want search for material. So all journal have material in their title, you will get it. So you should be more specific. You should be more specific in that case. If you know the name of the journal, just write it. If no, you can find many keywords. For example, this one, install. After installation, you will find the journal listing here. For example, here, this is, let us say this is the journal. You just click over use this style, this will appear, this one will appear where? In the citation style in the view tab. And after that, when we go to the main paper, here in the reference, we can find the Mendeley installed and journal listing. Exactly the same journal listing in the Mendeley. If you want to get more style, click over it. It will automatically direct you to the Mendeley app on laptop. Then you can control it over there. So now let us say you want to add reference here, anywhere. Let us say here. You click over here. Then you go to reference. Then insert citation. You have two options. If you know all information about it, you can write here. Or easier, you click over Go to Mendeley. In Go to Mendeley, you have this option, My Library. When you click over it, it will direct you to the to the Mendeley app. When you click over Mendeley app, in that case, it will direct you to the Mendeley app. And then let us say this is the journal you want to click over it. Let us consider. You just click on the site. Once you do it, it will automatically direct you, as we can see, it will automatically direct you to the review paper here. So give you the reference number 16 because we already have 15 reference in the introduction section. So it gives you reference number 16. So which one do you use? Let us say you use IEEE. You change it, for example, to this journal. You want to submit to that one. Journal of Rare Earth. Just click over it and wait. See what has happened. So we see it's changed. We had the reference number between two brackets. Now we have this kind of reference number. It's totally changed. So now let us learn how to make a bibliography. Usually bibliography, we do it in the reference. We do it in the reference. We have all these references. I will delete it. I will delete it first. We start again. Let us see how we can make it. In that case, let us consider we don't have anything. After you finish all the references, you just click over Insert Bibliography. Just click only, don't do anything else. And wait for a few seconds. In my case, it takes some time because I have too many references. Otherwise, it is very quick and straightforward. So all references will be listed here. Name of author, name or title of the paper, journal name, year of publication, a volume, page number, DOI, all are for all paper references with the same style appear here. In case if you want to change, you choose another journal. Which journal do you want to submit? You just choose it here. If not available here, you just click over More Style, go back Mendeley, and find it in the Mendeley app. And it's a Mendeley has a very good feature, very easy and user-friendly, very flexible. It has a good feature that totally avoid mistake, or to be more precise, it has only few mistakes. Like here, for example, this chemical formula we cannot correct in Mendeley, so we can just correct it manually here. This is titanium oxide, chromium oxide. We can just correct it here. In case if we have serious mistake here, other than this simple chemical formula, let us find any journal name that it has a mistake. Let us say we have the journal like that, automatically came to you in that case. So you can, no need to go to correct in the Word file, just correct it here. When you correct it, leave it. Go back to the Word file. In that case, when you finish all of them, go to reference, you just click over refresh. Once you click over refresh, it will automatically apply all corrections here automatically without any problem. So this is the main features of Mendeley and how we use Mendeley, how Mendeley will be beneficial for us. Thank you very much for your listening, your time, and I will be very thankful for you if you have your time for feedback or question in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.